What if the cloud isn't just in the sky, but in control of your entire life? We say we're free, but every photo, every message, every heartbeat from your smartwatch, it's not stored in your pocket. It's floating somewhere up there, in the cloud. Cloud computing, in simple terms, means storing and accessing data over the internet instead of your device. You don't need a fancy hard drive, just a Wi-Fi signal, and you're connected to powerful servers run by tech giants, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, all whispering, "Don't worry, we've got your data." But should we trust them? As of this month, European companies are rethinking their cloud providers. Trade wars and data privacy fears are reshaping the map. Even SAP's CEO warned, geopolitical tensions are now influencing which cloud people choose. Translation: even our data isn't free from politics. Behind the promise of convenience lies a quiet power grab. Big tech doesn't just offer storage. They shape policies, control access, and set the rules of this invisible realm. We gave them our trust in exchange for speed, but we didn't ask who's watching. Yes, cloud computing is revolutionary. It powers businesses, education, healthcare. But without transparency, it becomes a digital monarchy, where the kings wear hoodies and the currency is your data. So the next time you click Save to Cloud, ask yourself, who's really saving who? Because the cloud isn't magic. It's infrastructure built by humans, guided by profit, and dangerously easy to ignore. And ignoring it might be the biggest data breach of all.